Now we are going to see second method of module importing. In this one, you will not import a module as such. Instead of that thing, few functions from a module will be imported. For that thing, we have to use a keyword called from. From followed by module name, followed by the keyword import. Then we will specify the functions which we have to import. And each functions should be separated using comma. For example, from math import pow comma sqrt. So two functions of math module will only be imported to our program. Remaining ones we will not be able to use in our program. See, this is an example of second method of importing modules in script mode. In this one, I have tried to import just one function from the math module and two functions from the area module. I have written three print statements to work upon these three functions which I have called in my program. For that thing, I have to just use the name of the functions only. The previous method like math.pow, area.circle, that all are not required for this program. We can just call the functions by its name. Circle of 4. It will calculate area of the circle and it will print the value. Whereas power of 2, 3 will give you 8.0. Square of 3 will return you 9. No need to call these functions with the support of the module name because this program knows that only these three functions are important to our program and it will do the task which we have told. Here you can see the output. Circle's area is printed as 5.265 and all. Power functions output is given as 8.0. Square area output we got it as 9. In this particular coding, programmer has tried to call these functions with its module name. Module name dot that particular function name. I have already told you it is not required for this method. It will give you error only. We are going to see what is the error output of this code. You can see in this particular error output, they have told that area is not defined because it will search for a function name as area.circle in that particular imported functions. So it is not aware about such a thing, that will give you error. Even if you are removing this error area.circle and if you are going to write a circle, it will go and catch up with the next error of the power function. So we have to call the functions just by its name in the second method. See, in this particular program, in shell mode, I have written a statement to import math module to the program. And I have simply called power of 3, 4. I am getting the output of this one. But in the next statement, I have tried from keyword and I am trying to import power function only to this particular section. So power of 8, 2, I will definitely get the output, but I am trying to call sqrt function with the value 25. This will give an error output because sqrt we have not mentioned when we were telling the second method. But instead of simple sqrt usage, if you are trying to use math.sqrt of 25, definitely you will get the output 5.0 because we have already imported math module to this particular shell node. In this particular program, from the first two statements itself, you can understand that I am going to use power function, circle function and square function in this particular program. But see the last statement what I have written. I am trying to use rect function of area module. rect dot area is being specified there. Definitely it will give you an error message because we will not be able to use a function which is not important to a program. Now you can see the error output of the previous program. Error name, it is name error because it will search for area dot. Later it will understand that such a function is not there as a part of your coding. Definitely it will give you not defined error.